Now our next letter is wow. Wow is a very simple one. It's just head part is different while the body part is same like that. Starting in 90 degrees, taking it upwards and downwards. This is your first stroke. I'm doing some corrections as the more is your column size, the more you're getting the flatter portions, so you need to get the corrections. This is wow. You can make it a smaller version too. The head part will remain same. You can see its body part is a little smaller than this one. It's the Swania version in which we make it a little smaller. Now I'll put some vision dots in the head part. This is one of this from this side till this end of the head part is 2 noqtas and sometimes 1.5. Step this same 1.5 like dal and ra. Its length is also same like ra. Just need to understand its head shape. This is the first stroke. This is the second stroke. I'm making it separately. You won't keep the gap. So this is first and this is the second. Taking it at 90 straight, then little up, then keeping at 90, bring it downwards. Then later on, you will not make it roundy, keep it flat, but a little bit correction. Okay, so this is wow. Even in joint shape, it will be written like this. If you focus, this body part is exactly like the base of the alif.